Good day to you. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have some beautiful shiny parts of this painting and some other parts that I am not too thrilled about, and some more Prizm pour paints, a fresh batch of Aussie Floetrol with Amsterdam Black, and a desire to play. I also have other Aussie Floetrols. I am going to use some French silk, and I'm going to smear some colors, starting with the Royal Sapphire and adding a little bit of the Frosted Berry. Yes, it is. Moving on to some Pink Diamond. I want some Blue Velvet, and I just realized it. Let's make sure all the goop around the top is gone. Now I'm just gonna dip a tool. I was looking for my smallest spatula, but it seems to have been taken on vacation. But I've got others, so I'll just use, without that paint chip, please. It's a Klingon. It's a serious Klingon. I wanted to use this heavier version of the Aussie Floetrol. I have another mixture with a lot less. Yeah, I'm not the cleverest at the moment. This is my gold that is iridescent from PBO. I'm going to spread that out. At least the gold will work. I know that will. I'm pretty sure that the other will work also. Oh, that looks nice. I'm happy with that. Even the cells in the part that didn't get hit very hard. I would like that to morph a little more, because I'm loving what that PBO gold does. I can show that to you if I can find it. Oh, I see it. So that's a good start in my opinion. That already makes things better than they were. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, no matter what they are. These are Colour Arte Prizm pours. I'm going to wipe off my hand and my palette knife. I think I want to leave more white. Actually, it's not white. It's French silk, which means it's going to be very beautiful and iridescent. And I really enjoyed the pink. I don't see much of the Frosted Berry, but I think it'll show through in the cells. I've got some Fire and Ice, which it looks gray but is also iridescent pink and blue. And I wanted to try some of that also. I like that blue. I'm kind of craving some purple. I've got to mix some more African Violet. It's time. And I have some Frozen standing by. And I think that's going in here too. I just wind up going in more than one. I'm going to try my little tool, my little acetate tool. That's pretty. Really nice cells. I'm just going to keep moving things if they're heavy looking. The GAC 800 does prevent cracking very nicely. So if you're having trouble with crazing, That's the ticket right there. I am craving some orange, and I have a little bit. I'm going to grab my Chantilly lace and or my silver. Maybe the silver, true silver. I don't know how these are going to work together. This is, oh, this is plugged. This is my orange crush with some Big Apple in it that makes a really beautiful, beautiful dark orange. Time for a fresh skewer, I think. Skewers are my main go-to, and they do pull out more of the paint built up in the cap. Oh, and then you take the threads out. If you don't take the threads out, they wind up in your bottle. You don't want that. I think there's going to have to be some pink up there too. I haven't tried the true silver as a base. I want to use some hot orchid. And I think that's what this is. No, this is the pink diamond. I still want to use some hot orchid though. I want to use some poinsettia. Is that crazy? Yeah, maybe. Let's use it anyway. I might regret not having any white in there. So I'm just going to keep doing what I was doing, except for this time I'm going to go back again. I think that the heavier Amsterdam Black, the 50-50 mix, works as well, if not better than anything else. I like the cell action much better. The black is clearer. I'm happy about all that. This can go right down here. You see, I'm keeping some of the things that are left behind. I'm really tempted to yellow. I don't know why. The yellow being Tuscan Sun. But I've got... I don't think so. Let's try the yellow might be kind of cool. Let's try some of the yellow. Basically, I'm just getting rid of most of the gray areas. And I might put a little bit of the orange in there, because I like how that looks up here. Maybe the orange and the pink diamond. The orange being orange crush with Big Apple. I have some carnation out, pink carnation. And I don't think I've used very much of it. Whoa! Feels like the top wants to come off, then you should be careful of that one. Alright, let's keep on going. I haven't put any white in, and I usually put a little bit of white first and then some black after. Let's try a little bit of white, just because. Because again, the name of my first book on the Amazon link next to the second book, Unlimited Possibilities. I think I might blow that around a little. I might actually tip it some. I like making bloom style cells and not having to use house paint. I'm kind of liking that, but I'm thinking Fandango, for whatever reason, would make it look a lot more like there's some kind of plant growth. That's more of the French silk. There's the Fandango. I hope I'm not wrong about this. I'm going to use some of my dioxazine purple. Cell activator. That's a Hobby Lobby brand. Kind of want some gold too, but I can't really lose with the green and the purple because I love the purple and the green pretty similarly. Although it might have been too heavy on something. I might just want to use some green straight up and not worry about it. You know, like maybe move it around with a skewer. Just do a little waggling and blending. Might still be too many colors. There, I kind of like that. I'm not sure that I dislike the, I kind of like the center, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to decide that if it's not changeable, what I want to do in there. Other than maybe drag a little bit of gold. Select glitter. I wonder if I have a little tiny, I do, I have a little tiny. Acetate tool. And when things are dry, it means you can remove paint from dry canvas. Just gonna blend what's there. And trying to decide if I need anything else. Or if I wish I hadn't added something. Maybe more green is the answer. Maybe a couple flowers. Maybe one. Let's give myself a flower. It's going to be really similar to what's next to it. It might be a mistake. I'm just having one of those sets of days where I'm less confident than usual. I'm always happy when they're over. There, I kind of think blooms might be the answer. In which case, let's give it one here and one up there. Let's start up there. That's the French silk again. Let's go for the frosted berry. Some pink carnation. And a little dabble, do ya, of the orange crush with Big Apple. And I do love what the heavier Australian Floetrol paint mixture is doing. And I can't quite, I'm not going to get bored with the with the pretty pink and orange flowers anytime soon. But I think I am going to lay down a few more. on, don't stick to the canvas. I'm not sure I like the shape of that. The green part at the top, so I'll just eradicate it. So where'd my other flower go? I've got one here, and the other one is, well, it was over there. I've got 3 minutes left. And I am definitely enjoying my warm-up. I'm going to use a little bit of hot orchid, if it'll come out. Looks a tad plugged to me, or super heavy at least. I'm going to use some of the Tuscan Sun. A little bit of frosted berry. Nope, not unless you open it. And a little bit more of the pink carnation. And a good dollop. Ooh, perfect. That's just what I wanted. Now, I can only see 2 flowers. I sort of kind of lost my other one in the mix. So, what do I do now? Do I do it again? I do. Really small, I think. Really, really small. And then I'm going to call it good. I always wanted to do exactly this. Take something abstract and add some flowers growing. Like you've discovered some magical cave. This time I'm going to give it a little tiny bit of the gold. It's coming. It's going to be kind of subtle though. Makes me want to put one in the middle. I've got time. Well, it won't be exactly in the middle. That would be kind of funny, but let's do the whole routine again. I don't mind if they're similar. And the pink diamond, yes. Pink carnation, yes. Orange crush and big apple, yes. How about more than that, a drop of poinsettia. I got 1 minute left to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Perfect. Well, it is what it is anyway. So I wanted to make sure you guys know I post 7 days a week. And if you're looking for my videos and you can't find them, just ask me because I have them all organized by topic and genre. There's 2,400 of them. I think I'm going to put a little more turquoise right here. For whatever reason. Mostly because I like it. And I like it draws the eye to the center. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget the thumbs up. I'd love to have the thumbs up. And if you watch the videos longer, I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.